Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve for your Windows laptop or PC, and this method works for both Windows 10 and 11. So first you open your browser, any browser that you are using. For my case I'm using Chrome, and in the search bar you are going to type DaVinci Resolve, and then you will see here the first and official website, Blackmagic Design. You are just going to click here, and then you just scroll down a little bit, and here as you can see you will find DaVinci Resolve 21, and here you have two versions. The first one is the free one, you can download it, and there is the DaVinci Resolve Studio, and this one is paid with $295. So we are going to download the free one. You just click here, and as you can see here you will find different versions, and you are going to download this one, DaVinci Resolve 20. And here as you can see you can download it for different operating systems. For us, we are going to download it for Windows. We are going to click here, and then they will ask you to enter some details like your first name, last name, and etc. Here some things, and once you finish filling all those information you are just going to click on register and download. And once you do that, the download will start and it will be downloaded as a zip file. After that you just extract that file and start the installation. Just click on install and it will be installed, and after that you just can use it, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.